Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Kiosk India. The product in front of you is a 55-inch touchscreen kiosk with inbuilt IR 55-inch touchscreen with toughened glass in front of the display. This display is extra bright, around 350 to 400 nits. And this kiosk comes with an inbuilt Android 13 OS, or it can also come with an inbuilt Windows 10 or 11 professional OS. So today we are going to demo you the Android touchscreen variant of this kiosk. As you can see, the kiosk is very nice looking. This kiosk pedestal color is dark gray, which is a sort of anthracite gray. And this kiosk comes with the latest Android 13 touchscreen. Let us try to see some features of this kiosk. This kiosk comes with an inbuilt Google Play Store. You can check this out. You can install any application from the Google Play Store. If you want to install, you can install, update any application. You can just search, just like your mobile phone. This is a very large smartphone of some kind. Okay, so going on to check out the other features. This comes with an inbuilt browser. Suppose you want to, for example, we open this browser. See, this is our website, Kiosk India, running on this browser. You can play video. So this screen is a pure 4K screen. So the videos which will come on the screen will be very sharp. And it comes with inbuilt heavy duty speakers as well. If you want to try out, we can try out. Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Kiosk India. The products in front of you today are 22-inch touchscreen kiosk with customized branding for pharmaceutical brand. As you can see, the volume of the touchscreen is more than sufficient. It's easy to use, very fast and snappy. It comes with an inbuilt 4 GB RAM and 32 GB storage. So it's a very fast, intuitive, easy to operate touchscreen. Usually IR touchscreens are slow to respond compared to capacitive touchscreens, but this specific IR 55-inch touchscreen comes with the latest IR technology. The super fast with the latest Android 13 version. Okay, there is no lag in operation. See, it's very intuitive. Okay, so it comes with many inbuilt apps. You can install or uninstall applications however you like it. For example, you can use this notes feature. Just like in your interactive flat panel displays, you can write notes. You can select, for example, I'm selecting a color. Okay, so I will write. It is very smooth to write. Very simple, very fast, and very smooth to write. This is a licensed application which comes along with this kiosk. So you can use it for writing, notes taking, demonstrations, etc. You can add photos, you can add videos, you can get web links, you can export to cloud. A lot of different features, same like IFPD, interactive flat panel display, interactive whiteboard. All the features which are there in IFPD are also available on this kiosk. Okay. Other than that, you can install any applications, any APK files. For example, you want to lock your own application inside this kiosk. You want to run your own customized application. So just install the APK. You can insert a pen drive over here. You can enable or disable this USB ports as well. For example, if it's kept in a public location, you can disable these USB ports. So you can insert your pen drive, enable USB ports, insert pen drive, install your APK file, and then boom, it will run on this kiosk. One more feature of this kiosk is you can also install an external camera. We can also make this camera inbuilt for you. So if you want to take your photo, you can just start the camera app. You can see this camera lighting is coming. And this is our photo or video. You can capture photos, videos. You can use it in your video calling applications as well, video conferencing. So all of these are already enabled on this touchscreen kiosk. So this is the latest Android 13 IR 55-inch 4K touchscreen kiosk. Elegant, slim, fast, and easy to use. Comes with loads of features, all features which are available in your smartphones, and also IFPDs. All of them are available in this kiosk. So thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such updates. Thank you.